Welcome back. You have learned variables, operators, conditions, and loops. Now it's time to put it all together in a small but real project. Today we are building a Student Grade Evaluator. A little program that takes a score, calculates the grade, and prints a friendly message, just like a tiny grading robot. Let's build it step by step. Beginner friendly, zero stress, maximum fun. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's start simple. Let score equals 87. This is the student score. You can change it to test different results. Before grading, let's make sure the number is valid. So, if score is less than 0 or score is greater than 100, console.log, invalid score. Score must be between 0 and 100. It was logical operators time. If the score is out of range, we stop here. Now the fun part. The grading rules. Let grade. If score greater than or equal to 90, grade equals A. Else if score greater than or equal to 80, grade B. Else if score greater than or equal to 70, grade equals C. Else if score greater than or equal to 60, grade equals to D. Else, grades F. Notice how each rule checks from highest to lowest. That's control flow working smoothly. Let's give students a little message based on the grade. So, let's add it as a comment. Let comment. Switch grade. Case A. Comment. Excellent work. Break. Case B. Comment. Great job. Keep it up. Break. Case C. Comment. Not bad, but you can do better. Break. Case D. Comment equals needs improvement. You got this. Break. Case F. Comment equals maybe don't give up. Review and try again. Break. Now let's print everything clearly. Console.log, student grade report, console.log score, but also grade, console.log grade, console.log message, and comment. Your grade evaluator is alive now. If you want to level it up, maybe you can wrap it in a function. We didn't discuss functions yet. We will discuss it next, but if you know about functions, you can do it. And just like that, you built your first real JavaScript tool. One tiny project, but it uses variables, operators, comparisons, logical conditions, if-else, and switch. You are leveling up fast. Tell me in the comments what project you'd like to build next. See you next. Thank you.